With temperatures as low as -10 degrees, an icy start for many of us this morning, and the outlook remains freezing.
Laura, what's going on? Lots of accidents yesterday. Really?
It's the problem that it's areas that maybe aren't used to it. So Cornwall waking up to snow this morning. Just a little bit, and hundreds more people phoning in with accidents because of the icy conditions. So the advice is if you have to travel, allow extra time and make sure you're extra careful on your journey. So we have weather warnings in force, but when it's very cold for a prolonged period of time, so 2 degrees for at least 48 hours, cold weather alerts are issued. So all of England at the moment under a level 3 alert. And it basically means those people who are very vulnerable, to look out for them, make sure that they're looked after. If you can, have your heating to 18 degrees. That's really good advice. Avoid being out in these icy conditions. And NHS services, for example, put their cold weather plans into action. But why? It's because it's just so cold. Cold air digging south across the UK, and it stays with us all week, turning milder as we head to the weekend. But today there is a lot of crisp winter sunshine around. It's just coastal areas that are picking up showers. And we have warnings where those showers will be falling. Northern areas of Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales. The south is where we see the showers. But here's the latest satellite and radar. It is largely dry. Showers for the southwest and for the north of the UK. We're topped and tailed with them. But for many of us, it is blue skies, winter sunshine, but with sub-zero temperatures, icy underfoot. Good morning to you. Another cold outlook for the day ahead, and actually for the next few days as well. We're on the cold side of the jet stream, allowing Arctic air to flood right across us, but hints that things turn milder or less cold by the end of the week and on into the weekend. But yes, again, we have weather warnings in force. It's largely dry. Most of the warnings are just, but adding in the wind, it will feel more like freezing. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days then. First of all, it is cold. Temperatures are way below average. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, not just by day, but also by night, sub-zero, as low as -10 degrees last night. But the obvious trend here is things are warming up as we head through the end of the week and weekend. Welcome news for many, particularly with those wanting to have heating up to 18 degrees, but really struggling with the cost of that at the moment. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, it remains relatively low because it's just a few wintry showers through the coming days, looking wetter on Saturday. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, the big trend, yes, cold for the next few days, but a big climb in temperatures as we head through the weekend and next week. Percentage chance of rainfall, again, it's largely dry, a few sunny spells and scattered showers, so as we head through the coming days. Good morning to you. It is a cold, frosty, but sunny start to the day, and this is the gorgeous... Good morning to you. Well, today is the perfect day to go out for a crisp winter walk as long as you wrap up nicely. And this is the scene this morning. Cold, frosty and icy, but also sunny. And this is the beautiful... We're on the cold side of the jet stream. Arctic air flooding down from the north. That stays with us for most of the week, but things turn milder on into the weekend. But for today, it's sunny spells, yes, some wintry showers, but it stays windy in the north where it feels coldest. Warnings in force this morning for showers of snow through northern areas of Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales. Icy in the south where we've had recent rain or showers, but snow actually for southwest England, for the far southwest in Cornwall, waking up to a covering of snow this morning. And yes, there's been advice from Devon, from the Somerset and Avon police to say, do not travel unless absolutely necessary. They had over 100 extra calls in 5 hours yesterday evening from people slipping on icy surfaces. So just take care. If you have to travel today, allow extra space and extra time on your journey. First thing this morning, very little in the way of wet weather. Some showers round through coastal areas of the UK, but cold, frosty and icy underfoot, and on those windscreens, you need to scrape them first thing. But then crisp winter sunshine takes us through the day. A good-looking one. Temperatures 1 or 2 in the north, so chilly, 4 or 5 in the south, but feeling more like freezing when you add in the wind.